Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a video on Canva. The first thing you want to do once you're signed in to Canva, right below the search bar I want you to tap on videos. After you have done that, you can see the different type of videos that you can create. So whether you'd like to create a Facebook video, an Instagram reel, or a TikTok video, or just a general mobile video, you can do that by tapping on the option. So let's say for example I would like to create a 1920 by 1080px video. Once you have selected the type of video that you would like to create, you will be redirected to a new tab and you can see that the canvas is completely blank. Now I want you to pay attention to some stuff. For example, you can see the duration of your video in the top left hand corner right here. And now to add something to the canvas, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and from there you could add a photo or you could add a video to the timeline. But let's say for example I want to add something from Canva. I could simply tap on elements right here. Once you have tapped on elements, you can search for whatever you want to add. So let's say for example I would like to add a birthday video. I could type in birthday, then select videos. After you have done that, you can choose the type of video that you would like to use. Let's say for example this video right here. Then you can simply drag and place it on your timeline. And you can see the video right here. Now that you have done that, you can also add text to the video if you want. And to add text to the video, all you'll need to do is simply go over to the left hand menu option, tap on text, then from there you can select the type of text that you would like to add. So let's say for example this right here. Then you can type in whatever you want. So let's say for example I just type in test. Then you can also change the color of the text. So if you'd like to change the color, you can tap on the capital A right there. And you could change the color, you can change the font size, you can change the font style also right here. And you could also add some background shade if you want by simply tapping on effects. Once you have tapped on effects, for example, if you would like it to be outlined or you would like to add background, you could simply tap on background right here. Then you can see that the background has now been added and you could also change the background color. But let's say instead of adding a background, you like it to be outline, you could simply tap on outline. Then you can change the thickness of the outline as you can see right here by pulling along the slider. And you can also change the color of the outline by tapping in the color box. So let's say I would like to change it. I could simply tap on the color circle right there. Then I could change the color of the outline as you can see right here. You can select the color that you would like to use. Once you have done all of that, you can also add animations if you want. To add animation to a video on Canva, all you'll need to do is tap on animate. Once you have tapped on animate, you can see right there, I can get the text to move as you can see right there. Or let's say I don't want the text to be animated, I want something else to be animated. All I would need to do is go over to elements, or you could upload something random. And from here, I can select a graphic. So let's say, for example, let me find a graphic real quick that I want to use. So let's find a graphic, or you could use a photo if you want. So I'm going to be using this. I'll simply add it to the video as you can see right here. Once you have added the image that you would like to be animated, you are going to select the image, then you are going to tap on animate, then you are going to select create an animation. Once you have done that, you are going to tap back on the image and you can simply pull it in the direction that you would like it to move, as you can see right there. So I like it to move smooth, you can see it there. Then I'll tap on done. Now that I've done that, if I were to play the video, you can see the animation right there. That's it, as you can see there. And you can also add music or audio to your video by simply going over to the left hand menu option once more, tapping on uploads, Then from there you'll be able to upload your music or audio, and then you'll tap on audio and you'll be able to drag and place it on the timeline. Or you could tap on elements in the top left hand corner, type in the type of music that you want. Then from there you can simply scroll across and you will tap on audio and you will see copyright free songs that you can use. So for example, let's say I would like to add this audio track. I could simply drag and place it on the timeline, as you can see right here, and I can drag it up to the front. And then from there, after you're finished, you can also edit the audio by tapping on the three dots. You could increase or decrease the volume, and you can also split it if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can scroll down and you're going to tap on download, then tap on download once more, and you'll be able to download your new video. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.